Join us on our bird's eye view of Delphi Lodge and the Delphi Valley. It is into this unspoiled fjord that the clear mountain waters of the Delphi Valley flow. The river itself, the Bundara River, is quite a short river, actually only 2 kilometres long, and it drains Finloch, the smaller of the 3 lakes. The Delphi Valley itself was carved by glaciers millions of years ago and is protected to the west by Connacht's highest mountain, the Muil Ray. This is an old landscape, completely unchanged over thousands of years. The scenery is truly dramatic. It offers our visitors a look into what it was like in this area many centuries ago. The lodge itself was built around about 1820, very much a fishing outpost at the time. Nowadays, a high standard Irish country house, we are proud and honoured to welcome people from all over the world to this truly unspoiled, beautiful location. We are proud at Delphi to have recently planted up to 60,000 native hardwood trees on various locations throughout the 1,000-acre estate. Here in this valley, the mood and light is always changing. Indeed, it can be said we get the 4 seasons in just one day. It was the wonderful changing light on the mountains over this valley that inspired Lord Sligo to call Delphi, Delphi Lodge, after his return from the Oracle in Greece. Delphi Lodge is a 1,000-acre estate, and it is our responsibility, and one that we cherish, to protect this wonderful unspoilt environment so that future generations can enjoy what we are so privileged to enjoy today. Delphi Lodge itself was built around about 1820 by Lord Sligo, the Marquis of Sligo. Back then it was very much a fishing lodge. Today, this wonderful old building, situated on the shores of Finloch underneath Ben Gorm and Ben Cregan, welcomes people from all around the world to this beautiful unspoilt landscape.